Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are continuing with the lesson decimals. The topic in mathematics, it's decimals. We are continuing with it. And today we are going with expanded form of decimals. What is that? Expanded form of decimals. You might have already learned in expanded forms of normal numbers, right? Suppose if I go for normal expansion, like normal expansion of numbers. How do you do that? Like suppose if you have a number 38,250, how do you expand it? You know that it starts with 30,000 plus 8,000 plus 2,000, because 2 is in the hundredths place, then 5 is in the tens place, and then 0. It doesn't hold any value, but you have tried it. So this is how you expand normal numbers, right? This is the way of expansion of normal numbers. So now let's learn about how we can expand these decimals. How do you expand decimals, right? So let me tell you how to expand decimals. We have already gone through the number line system of the decimals, right? So let me take an example of this, how to expand decimals. Like suppose if I have a number 0.32, how do I expand it? You know that in number line you have this decimal over here, point, then you have tenth you have 3, then hundredth you have 2. So how do you expand this? You know that, and there is on ones place you have 0. So how do you expand this? Let me tell you this expansion. So you have ones, so 1 into 0 plus decimal point plus then what? 3 into 1 by 10th plus 2 into 1 by 100, because 2 is in the 100th place and 3 is in the 10th place. So see, now look at this. Once you multiply this, you get 0 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100. So this is how you are going to get this expansion form. This is how you write the expanded form in a decimal number. This is the way you have tried the expanded numbers in a decimal. Let me go with another example. Let me help you with another example so that the concept is clear for you. Example, I'm having a number 874.138. Students, please let me know if you want the classes in Hindi, because those who want the classes in Hindi, I can continue with Hindi. So please let me know that, because whichever language it's easy for you, I only want you to learn. So see that you just inform me through the comment or wherever you want, that if you want to learn in Hindi also I can explain it. Sorry. So here see, here look at this. We have this whole number part and the fractional part. Whole number part. So here we have ones, tenths, hundredths, tenth, hundredth and thousandth. So how do you do this? So what we are going to do is we'll expand these numbers. So look at the whole number part. We have 8 in the which place? Ones, tens, hundreds place. So we have to multiply that with the 100 plus 7 is at the tens place, then 4 is at the ones place, plus now look at this, 1 is at the 10th place. So you have to write 1 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 8 by 1000th. So this is how you expand a number, a decimal number. This is the way you have to expand a decimal number. If you have a whole number part, you have to go with the whole number part. Then you have to convert the decimal part also. So this is how you expand a number in a decimal. Okay students, so thank you with this class. I'll continue in the next session.